The small tablet is dead. That's what they told us. They said the era of the compact powerhouse was over, swallowed by giant iPhones and foldable screens. But they were wrong. Very wrong. Somewhere deep inside the high-security labs of Apple Park, a project codenamed J510 is coming to life. And it's not just an update. It's a revolution. This is the one device that shouldn't exist, yet it's the only one everyone wants. Forget everything you know about the iPad mini. Forget the jelly scrolling, the dim LCDs, and the feeling that Apple treats its smallest tablet like an afterthought. 2026 is the year the mini finally becomes a Pro. Welcome to the era of the iPad mini 8. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're watching this right now, you're likely part of a very specific group of people. You're the ones who realize that bigger isn't always better. You're the mobile gamers who need something that actually fits in your hands for more than 10 minutes. You're the pilots, the doctors, the field journalists, and the street photographers who need a digital brain that can slide into a cargo pocket. For years, Apple has ignored us, giving us crumbs while the iPad Pro got the whole cake. But something shifted in early 2026. The supply chain leaks are no longer just whispers, they are a roar. We are talking about a device that bridges the gap between a smartphone and a workstation in a way that feels like magic. We are diving deep today into the OLED revolution, the terrifying power of the A19 Pro chip, and the controversial design choices that are about to polarize the tech world all over again. If you've been thinking about buying an iPad mini 7, stop. Just stop. Because the story I'm about to tell you will change your mind in the next 30 minutes. Let's start with the heart of the controversy, the display. For over a decade, the iPad mini has been stuck with LCD technology. In a world where even budget $200 phones have vibrant OLED screens, Apple's refusal to upgrade the mini felt like a slap in the face. But the wait is over. The iPad mini 8 is confirmed to be the first compact tablet in history to feature a tandem OLED panel. This isn't just a marketing term. This is the same dual-layer technology that debuted in the 2024 iPad Pro. Imagine blacks so deep they look like the screen is turned off. Imagine HDR peaks that hit 1600 nits, making your movies and games pop with a realism that an LCD simply cannot replicate. But here is the real kicker, the size. Rumors from the supply chain suggest Apple has finally trimmed those thick bezels, bumping the screen size from 8.3 inches to a stunning 8.7-inch edge-to-edge canvas without increasing the actual footprint of the device. It's more screen, more immersion, and zero extra bulk. But we have to talk about the ProMotion debate. This is where the internet is currently on fire. For years, the biggest complaint about the Mini has been the 60 Hz refresh rate. It feels sluggish compared to an iPhone Pro or an iPad Pro. Initial leaks suggested Apple would finally give us 120 Hz. But recent reports from internal testing indicate a high-efficiency 90 Hz panel might be the compromise. Why? Battery life. On a device this small, 120 Hz drains the tank faster than you can say, Cupertino. Apple is reportedly testing a variable refresh rate that scales from 1 Hz to 90 Hz, giving you that buttery smoothness when you need it